Welcome to the ultimate how-to guide to learning and mastering Microsoft Excel. You see, Microsoft Excel is the most popular and best-known productivity software on the market. Nearly every business uses Excel, so when it comes to analyzing large amounts of complex data, we turn to Excel. Unfortunately, most users know and tend to use just a fraction of Excel's features, and often they use it at a very basic level. Hi, I'm Larry Kennedy, an adjunct professor who teaches finance, project management, management information systems, and Microsoft Office certification courses. I bring in over 3 decades of investment banking and teaching experiences to help you learn, enhance your career, and help you get the job you've always wanted. This award-winning course shows in short how-to practice videos the use of a wide variety of formulas, functions, and components of Excel. You will learn how to properly build a worksheet, how to make your data stand out, how to use themes and templates, how to create a personal tab on the ribbon, how to build formulas using names, or how to calculate the price of a bond or other financial instruments, how to use logical functions like if, and, or, average, count, and sum, how to use VLOOKUP and pivot table, how to create basic to advanced charts, how to use goal-seek and perform what-if analysis, how to create macros and custom buttons. The course starts with the basics and gradually moves into very complex skills. It is a valuable support for college students, professionals, and managers who want to learn the basics or improve their Excel knowledge up to an advanced level. An added benefit of this course is it serves as a reference guide. So when you need to look up how a specific tool or function works, you can simply turn to this course and see a 3 to 4 minute tutorial. There are over 200 skills in this course. In addition, the course has 15 total lecture hours with detailed examples and practice files to help you retain your knowledge. If you're new to Excel, you will need to start with the first few skills. Then you're free to hop around and practice any skill you need for a job or anything you would like to learn. Overall, this ultimate how-to course is your reference guide to help you find the answers you need and how to build your Excel skills to advance your career. If you love the course, and we certainly hope you do, kindly give us a 5-star rating to encourage our team to build more technical courses to help you. We're glad you're here. Let's get started.